In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable and use one-handed mode. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again, this time to click on one-handed mode. And use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. When your switcher is blue, that means that one-handed mode is on. Now to use it, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this section at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!